Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a balcony do-over. I'm cleaning my entire balcony. I'm going to be buying some things to spruce it up, and yeah, so let's get right into the video. This is the patio before. I got this chair from a neighbor. To start off, I did sweeping and I cleaned out my garden box, which had a bunch of dirt in it and garden stuff. And I just sweep everything because I just bought a beautiful mandala outdoor rug for the balcony. And obviously you want to clean the balcony before you place everything. There's my garden box all cleaned out. And then sweeping takes a long time, so I'm here sweeping again because I moved around my plants. As you see, I have my lemon plant and my cactus plant there. And then I had these decorating lights inside that they were just sitting there, so I was like, oh, let me put this outside because it doesn't really rain in Arizona. And then I have this little Buddha that you see in between my plants that I got for free. Someone had it outside around the complex. Oh, there's my butt. What a beautiful view. And then I have the citronella candle, and I also had my macrame peace sign that I had inside, and I just put it outside. So there is my mandala rug, as you see, and there's Fluffy, and it just takes a really long time to clean. And then I have this welcome mat that I found. Someone left it. I find so much stuff throughout the apartment complex that people just leave behind, or they leave it by the garbage, and I'm like, I'll just use this for my balcony. Even this chair that's to the right that I got, one of my neighbors left it. She was throwing it out, and I just took it because I knew she was throwing it out. I obviously waited to see, but here's the final look before I even had my mandala rug down. I had my rocks there. I brought Shiva's bowl out. There's the garden box with everything in it. It's nice and clear. My garden gloves and just like other pots. I have some empty pots. I used this shoe rack that also a neighbor that moved out left, and I just used it for my pots. And yeah, I just really love how my balcony came out. I brought out a yoga mat, some jars to put candles in, and it's just really cool. All right, guys, I got this exciting new item that I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to set it up on the balcony. I am super excited to show you what this is. I'm just super excited because I'm always excited. When am I not, guys? All right, let's open it up. We're about to open it. What is it, Shiva? What is it, Shiva? I got a thing. Oh, baby. This box is taller than me. Sorry, Shiva. What is it? It's a natural peel reed fencing. Look at Shiva. Hi, Sheebies. What is it, girl? Okay. So, you might be wondering, look at this. Woohoo! Why I got this. I got this because I want privacy in my balcony. I want some privacy in my balcony. I want to start doing qigong in the morning for that reason, and also like my neighbors right across, they are always outside when I'm outside, so I just prefer, you know, a little bit of privacy because I'm weird and people are probably gonna film me if I do qigong. No, I just don't want people watching me when I'm doing qigong, and I just like seclusion. I am on the 3rd floor, so a lot of people can see me. Whoever's on the 3rd floor, right, girl? You ready? Want to put it together? Let's put it together. Let's take it out. Should have opened this outside. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. No, don't eat it, jeez. All right, let's see how we could do this. Look at the mess I made. Look at that. Oh, all the mess, honey. Look at the mess. Okay. FYI, it took a really long time for me to figure out this reef because it constantly kept falling, so beware. I didn't even realize it creates a lot of shade, which is really nice. I think I would need one more because I could still see across, but it's nice because it's shade. And the only thing is the wind, they don't stay on, so I need to get like something to hold it. Maybe I got something, I think. It creates a really nice like tropical scenery, but I got zip ties and I'm gonna see if that works. That's the only thing. It's like really, really fragile, so it like once the wind moves, it moves. It's a little complicated, but we're gonna work with it. So instead of using the zip ties, I used the beaded string wire. I used this silver beaded string wire that I just had in my drawer, and I wrapped it around each of the railings, so like there's like pieces where it stops so that the wind won't pull it back and forth. And yeah, we'll see how it does. So far it's not falling, and there's like, you know, a stop piece between each railing. I love it so far. I mean, you can still see. I probably should get like another one to completely block off, but it will do for now, and it creates a lot of shade, which is really cool. It wasn't really something I was thinking about, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. This is the final look with the mandala rug and with the reef. I loved how the final look looked, and I was just always outside on my balcony. It's super cozy, and you get a lot of privacy with that bamboo reef standing up there. And you think that people can see you, but really when you look outside, you can't really see anything. And sorry, there is a smudge on my camera. It's super frustrating. I eventually cleaned it out, but I didn't realize there was a smudge on the camera. But anyway, that is the chair that I found from the neighbor. That little turtle thing Devin gave me, it's like a little solar light. Those are Shiva's twigs. My garden box, again, those two flower pots are from the dollar store, and there's my pot of plant that I seeded. And yeah, that is just the final look. This is the finished look of the balcony. I love it. Look at this rug. It's so beautiful. Mandala rug. My plant is growing, lemon plant, my cactus, the Buddha, the candle. I have these lights. That's the last thing I want to get is lights to go around. It moved and Fluffy got scared. He was sniffing it. Now he's okay.